Hey everyone, my name is Justin and this is the Home Gym Fitness channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the standing bicep curl or different variations of the curl using stacked resistant bands, and for this demonstration we're going to use Black Mountain Products resistant bands. Here I have 3 bands all stacked together, as you can see. They can come on and off nice and easily just with a carabiner clip, but I put 3 together here from the lowest to one of their higher ones. So to get into the exercise, you're just going to lay it flat in the ground here. And you're going to step right in the center. You want to make sure that you're kind of even tension on both sides. Make sure you get a good grip on both of them. You want to keep your core tight. You're going to stand up straight. And then all you're going to do is simply just keep your elbows in on the side and just pull up, slight hold. Make sure you're breathing in and out. And then you can also do alternating curls. And then what's nice about stack bands, if you're trying to do a drop set or if it's just too much weight or depending on what you're trying to do, you can actually, if you want, just remove one of the bands or 2 of the bands. For this demonstration, I'll remove 2 of them. And all you have to do is let them sit in front of you. Same thing, elbows to the side, core tight. You just pull up and let the badge just hang there. Makes it nice and easy, like I said, for drop sets or any other type of exercises. And then to get out, you just simply just let it down. And then for even more weight, simply just put 2 feet on, even yourself out. You're going to pull up and hold. Keep your core tight and breathing throughout the exercise. And that's how to do the standing bicep curl using the stack bands. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe.